Hi, yoga buddies. Today we're doing a super gentle flow for when you need a big stretch. These poses will make your whole body feel long, calm, and happy. Before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can join all our new yoga adventures. Stand tall with both feet grounded, legs straight, arms relaxed by your sides, chest open, shoulders soft, looking forward with a calm gaze. Stand tall. Bring hands to hips or raise them gently upward. Arch slightly back while keeping neck comfortable. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Fold forward from the hips, knees slightly bent, hands reaching toward the floor, head relaxed and heavy. Stand with legs wide apart and fold forward with a long spine, letting the head relax downward and hands touching the floor. Front knee bent, back leg long and strong, fingertips on the mat for balance. Repeat on both sides, right, then left. Step one foot forward into a deep lunge. Back knee on the mat, hips sinking gently. Hands rest on the front thigh. Switch sides. On all fours, round your spine toward the sky. Tuck chin to chest, arms straight, belly pulled in. On all fours, drop belly slightly, lift chest and head, shoulders relaxed, gentle smile. Lie on your belly with hands under shoulders. Gently lift your chest while keeping elbows close to the body, shoulders relaxed. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. Sit with legs straight forward, fold gently from the hips, hands reaching toward the feet. Lie on back, arms in T-shape. Lower both legs to one side while keeping shoulders on the mat. Alternate sides left and right. Now let's rest for a moment. Place your hands on your belly, close your eyes softly, and take slow, gentle breaths. Feel your belly rise and fall. Keep breathing calmly for 30 seconds as your whole body enjoys the stretch you just gave it. You did amazing today. Your body is stretched, relaxed, and full of happy energy. If you enjoyed this big stretch yoga flow, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your yoga buddies. See you next time. Namaste.